Growing prosperity eviction legal coverage. What does this mean? So up to $5,000 of legal fees and legal related expenses. So that would not include the cost of like a mover, if that's required, but it would include court fees, our attendance fees, attorney's costs. And so for those fees, we try to save you money by kind of passing on the attorney's costs and course costs directly to you under normal circumstances, right? However, and because of that, oftentimes they aren't a huge amount of money. But if it goes into an actual court battle where things suddenly get a little more complicated, the attorney's fees quickly start adding up. And so we've tried to kind of cover that potential risk through the plans and services we offer. And we cover that up to $5,000 in the categories we mentioned. The main exception here, I would say there's two exceptions. One is if an owner does not follow our advice, and because of that, there's an eviction. So there are times when an owner just wants to evict a tenant that's paying or otherwise could pay, okay? And generally, we're going to advise that if the tenant can pay, you should keep the tenant except under a very, kind of extended circumstances. So if the owner's just saying, you know what, yeah, this tenant could pay, but I don't want him, I'm going to evict him regardless, then we're not covering for that. This is specifically eviction for non-payment. And then if we're not managing as well, we're not going to cover in those two exceptions. If you have any questions, reach out to us.